Commissioned by the Systems Alliance in the early 2180s, the UT-47 Kodiak Drop Shuttle is an advanced ground-to-surface shuttlecraft and interplanetary personnel transport, taking full advantage of the Mass Effect phenomena. The Kodiak is a genuine contragravitic vehicle, propelling itself by countering its own mass and using its 4 articulated thrusters for maneuvering and control. The craft is used extensively by the Alliance Navy, but is also a favourite of the paramilitary organisation known as Cerberus, as well as a variety of mercenary and pirate groups in the more lawless regions of the galaxy. 15.7 meters long and 8 meters wide, the Kodiak is incredibly durable and thickly armoured, with its vaguely carapace-like appearance earning the ship the nickname Combat Cockroach among Alliance Marines. Normally operated by a pilot and co-pilot, but easily piloted by a single individual, the Kodiak is able to transport and deploy up to 12 fully armoured troops and can function flawlessly in almost any environment. The shuttle also carries a cutting-edge VI for the purpose of navigational computation and electronic warfare, as well as a limited stealth system and powerful kinetic barriers. Thoroughly field-tested in the hellish environment of Venus, the Kodiak can remain fully operational through acidic atmospheres, hard vacuum, extreme hull pressure, and temperatures ranging from absolute zero to over 900 degrees Celsius. Though not typical for UT-47s, many of the shuttles used by Cerberus are refitted at great cost to include short-range FTL drives. This allows shuttlecraft assigned to Cerberus ships and stations to embark on missions and deployments over far greater distances, and gives smaller encampments and cells access to faster-than-light transportation without the need for a larger vessel in orbit. Atmospheric flight in the UT-47 often requires a considerably skilled pilot, as the ship's mass must constantly be altered and moderated, decreasing mass to increase speed and handling, whilst increasing mass as needed to resist incoming fire and environmental hazards. The Kodiak's Mass Effect field generator can also be overstressed if used without the proper finesse, and as a result, Kodiaks which have fallen into the hands of pirates and criminals, many of whom lack proper flight training, would often be involved in crashes and other accidents. In addition to its atmospheric abilities, the Kodiak is in fact capable of operating underwater. The shuttle is rated to 1,000 atmospheres, and its subsystems and articulating parts are still able to function when fully submerged. Though this functionality has been proven in tests, it has never been applied in the field. As the UT-47 lacks gun ports or ship-to-ship weapons of any kind, Alliance Marines and other passengers would often open the embarkation doors during atmospheric flight in order to fire small arms at passing targets. Though this has proven effective, it does expose the passenger compartment to return fire, as well as creating a sizable gap in the shuttle's kinetic barrier field. For this reason, the tactic is technically banned under Alliance regulations. Unfailingly resilient and completely reliable, the UT-47 Kodiak Drop Shuttle is one of the most popular and respected auxiliary craft in the galaxy, and in the years following its development, the shuttle has inspired multiple refits and sub-variants, which have only served to increase the design's utility even further. Thank you for watching Spacedock. Please remember to like, subscribe and share for more science fiction spacecraft summaries. If there's a particular spacecraft you'd like to see looked at, let me know in the comments below, and I'll get right on it.